Caution here. Your Dave Poschke Performance Parts caution out here on lap number 3. And we got fire on the 44 machine. Get that man out. Driver out safely. Track crews there immediately. Fire extinguisher put immediately to work. So caution here on lap number 3. Colby Rathbone, your leader. Mike Hellman having a heck of a battle. Again, this is a battle for 1,000 to win. Colby Rathbone out front. Mike Hellman in that second spot. Trenton Houston at third. Jeff Reed and Chris Tonoli, your top 5. So far, Eric